Myself now to come down to One Clapham today to inspect some of the brickwork progress on site and also the topping out of some of the concrete structures on Block B and C. Let's go see the progress.
We were looking at the interface with the existing building. The existing building had a basement. There was lots of challenges with the structure below to ensure that we weren't undermining that building in any way. We needed to get reviews and approvals from NHBC and building control to make sure that we were compliant, and the party wall surveyor. And now the concrete's up, it looks like it's gone to plan.
So we're up on level 7 of plot 3B, which is one of the tallest blocks on the scheme. They are currently in the process of topping out the primary structure. So the lower levels, there is brickwork going up, there is interior fit out happening, and the beginnings of a lot of the service runs being installed.
We've had 11 different brickworks types, plus additional glazed bricks internally within the lobbies. There's a number of different brickwork patterns.
I think, as always, the challenge is in the coordination and ensuring that we maintain the aesthetic with the complexities in the brickwork.
It's great to see the quality of work that Mount Anvil and their subs have been able to achieve. It's realised the drawings and the design, and we're very pleased with the result. We've just finished our site visit at One Clapham. We're now nearing the end of the contractor design period. So we've been working with Mount Anvil on their shop drawings and within subcontractors for the last 9 months. We're now into a period of fit-out drawings, bathrooms, kitchens and dry lining. The project's going well. We've seen 3D brickwork complete. The Velvac windows are all installed on 3D and most of 3C, and the concrete work is progressing well on plot 7 and plot 8. Plot 3A is also completed on the concrete work, and plot 3B, they're still pouring the final slabs. So we look forward to come back in a few months' time and see how they're getting on.